Hello everybody, Happy New Year. This is January the 1st, 2024. Let's hope that it's a good year. Let me raise this up a little bit. Old selfie stick, I still have not found my new one. I don't get it. I got something on my glasses. It drives me crazy. Okay, I'm getting ready to start a new Diamond Art Club project. When we had Black Friday, I bought a few that I have been wanting for a while. And there's still some on my wish list that that are not in stock. They're still sold out. But this one, I decided to do this one. I didn't know it was going to be as big as it is. It is a square. It is called Over the Rainbow Bridge. It is 41.3 inches times 27.6 inches. And well, I know you can't really see because of the light, but it's got a lot of weight to it. So it must be pretty big or have a lot of colors. And again, this is from Diamond Art Club. They are the only diamond dot company that I do. They are the best. It is really cold out today, so I got my big heavy duty sweatshirt on, and so today I have to keep telling myself it is Monday today, and back to work tomorrow on Tuesday. So I thought I would show this to you for now while I've got the time. I still have like one big square to do on my other project, but I am almost done. So I thought I would just go ahead and unbox this because hopefully I'll be kitting this up today. Okay, you get a toolkit with Diamond Art Club. This contains an applicator, a comfort grip, heart-shaped wax container, a craft tray, multi-placers ×2, a tray stopper, a cover minder, which I do not use those, washi tape, Ziploc baggies, and tweezers. When you have a square kit, you get the tweezers. I have a pen that I use, and I had bought some metal, what do you call those things? You know, what you put the diamonds down on with. I bought some of those, so that's what I use. I have a ton of wax. I do not use washi tape. So people do stuff different ways. There's the pen that you get. There is, whoop, it's all in here. Let's see. This must be wax. There's this squishy thing you put on the end of your pen. Washi tape. Whoops. Those things. There is the stopper with the, but I call it a boat. Here's your little Ziploc baggies. And this is a cover minder. Oops. I'm gonna put all this back in here. My daughter wants to start doing diamond dotting. I'm gonna probably save this for her. Maybe she can kind of have some supplies. Did you guys do anything last night? We don't do anything on New Year's Eve. I did go get a pizza at Pizza Hut and some breadsticks. But that's it. Okay. Wow, this is a big one. Oh, it is heavy. I can't hardly get it out. I love pets, and I have a lot of cats, as you know. And that's why I saw this Rainbow Bridge one, and I thought I've got to have that. Unfortunately, I've had several cats pass away, and as you all know, they go to the Rainbow Bridge. So that's why I got this. This is how the Diamond Art Club canvases come. They're all wrapped up and the diamonds are inside. So I got a chair, handy chair here. Let's see if I can get the colors. Wow, these are really colorful. Okay. I have a little thank you thing. Whoop, if I can get it. From Diamond Art Club. And they tell you directions and that kind of stuff. This, wow. Oh my gosh, this has 74 colors. I saw this and I'm like, is that it? The colors? Oh my goodness. I have never had a kit that had 2 of these pages of stickers. Oh my gosh. So this is what it's supposed to look like. You got dogs over there by the tree, and then by the tree you've got cats. And yeah, I think this is pretty neat. Oh my gosh. This may take me hours and hours to kit up. I've spent 3-4 hours kitting up a diamond dot kit. So look at these colors. Wow. No. I could go all through these colors with you, but as you see, there is like a ton, and my cats are really rowdy right now, so I think I'm just gonna leave them in this package so I'm ready to kit this up. Oh my goodness. I hope I have enough storage for all that. Yeah, there is a lot of colors here. 74 colors. Wow. Okay. Let me see if I can hold this up to you. And I can show you what this looks like. Oh my goodness. This is big. This is bigger than I really thought, but I love it. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a fun one. Let's see what I can do with this. Look, that's the top. I can't lift it as high as you probably need to see, but oh my goodness. This is going to be quite the project. Sorry, I'm rolling this up. Yeah, oh my gosh. And you know what? I have a teeny tiny desk. I've been wanting to get my, no. They're rowdy today, let me tell you. I've been wanting to get a card table so that would help me a little bit, but it's not in my budget right now. So hopefully I can be getting myself a card table here pretty soon. This is the one I'm working on. I have to put these up or they will get them. This is, well, it's backwards, but there's my square I have left to work on this. So I want to get this done today and hang this up somewhere, and then I can, oh my gosh, kit that one other up. Oh wow, that is going to be a job. There are a lot of beautiful colors in here. What I do is I have the Elizabeth Ward storage system. That noise you heard is my washing machine. For some reason in my sink it goes bloop, 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 makes bubbles. Well, anyway, I've got the Elizabeth Ward, and gosh, I hope I have enough little things to kit this up. So what I do is right here where this camera is standing, I have a teeny, it's not, I don't even know what you call it, it's a little divider thing between my living room and my kitchen, which is basically one room. and I stand up here to this and I just kit it up. It kills my back, but I think I do better. I have sat down at that teeny tiny desk and kitted it up, but I don't know. We'll have to see. But that is my next one I am doing, called Over the Rainbow Bridge. So I am really excited about kitting this one, kitting this one up and working on it. So that is my next project. So thank you guys for watching. And these again I use these, I know everybody else does, they're stickers. These little stickers come off and you put it on your storage, and then you know what the color is, the color code, and the symbol is to putting on your canvas. So there you go, and Happy New Year, everybody. I don't know if you have any New Year's resolutions. Mine is to keep walking, trying to walk every day and watch what I eat. Of course, I have leftover pizza today, so I'm going to start my big diet tomorrow and try to eat better. I really do need to eat a lot better. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing of my latest Diamond Art Club project, and I will catch you guys later. See ya!